Seymour, I made it, despite your directions.
Ah, Superintendent Chalmers, welcome. I hope you're prepared for an unforgettable luncheon.
Yeah.
Oh, you gods! My roast is ruined! What if I were to purchase fast food and disguise it as my own cooking?
Seymour!
Superintendent, I was just stretching my calves on the windowsill. Isometric exercise. Here to join me?
Why is there smoke coming out of your oven, Seymour?
That is smoking steam. Steam from the steamed clams we're having. Steamed clams. Superintendent, I hope you're ready for mouth-watering hamburgers.
I thought we were having steamed clams.
No, I said steamed hams. That's what I call hamburgers.
You call hamburgers steamed ham?
Yes, it's a regional dialect.
What region?
Upstate New York?
Really? Well, I'm from Utica, and I've never heard anyone use the phrase steamed ham.
Oh, not in Utica. No, it's in Albany.
You know, these hamburgers are quite similar to the ones they have in Krusty Burger.
Oh, no. Patented Skinner Burgers. Old family recipe.
For steamed ham.
Yes.
We call them steamed hams, despite the fact they are obviously grilled.
You know, one thing I... Excuse me. Just a second. Oh, well, that was wonderful. Good time was had by all. Oh, I'm pooped.
Yes, I should be. Good Lord! What is happening in there?
Aurora Borealis.
Aurora Borealis. At this time of year, at this time of day, in this part of the country, localized entirely in your kitchen.
Yes.
That's it?
No.
Seymour! The house is on fire!
No, Mother, it's just the northern lights.
Well, Seymour, you are an odd fellow, but I must say, you steam a good hand.